Chapter 2. Working with Stories and Roofs. This chapter will present how to work with and benefit from using Archicad's story concept. In this part, we will structure the design similarly to how it will be built. Archicad's virtual trace will be used to display and trace elements from different views. Further, we will also get a handle on how to create a pitched roof and conceptual sections within seconds. Step 1. Editing stories. Open the Design, Story Settings dialog. Set all story heights to 3 meters by entering 3.00 to all the available height to next fields. Make sure that the ground floor is active before leaving the Story Settings dialog. Choose the Wall tool in the toolbox and activate the Select All Walls command to select all the walls on the ground floor. The result is that all the walls will be highlighted. Change the height of the walls in the info box to 6 meters. Make sure that Automatic is selected in the Home Story drop-down list. Open the 3D window to check on design development. Now let's go to the first story by activating the 1.3 Add Gallery Slab preset. Activate the Slab tool and select the Slab 03 item in the Favorites to load the appropriate slab settings for the new internal gallery slab. Make sure that the home story is set as Current Gallery. If it is not, set it this way. Select the rectangular geometry method in the info box. Activate the Special Snap Points button on the standard toolbar. Make sure that half and a long entire element are selected. In case they are switched on, switch off the grid snap and the grid display. Click on the inside point of the top left wall corner to start drawing the slab. Make sure you see a check mark when clicking to be sure you're snapping on the point itself. As soon as you get close to the midpoint of the wall distance, the cursor will turn black, indicating that it is snapping to a point. Click Point 2 to complete the new slab. Now let's add a terrace slab to the project on the upper level. Switch to the 1.4 Add Terrace Slab preset view in the Archicad guide. Switch on Grid Display and the Grid Snap. Activate the Slab 04 favorite to create the external terrace slab. Make sure that the home story is set as Current Gallery and use the polygonal geometry method in the info box. Start to draw the terrace slab by clicking the Point 1 grid intersection point. Choose the Arc by 3 points option on the Pet palette to create the curved slab segment. Click points 2 and 3 to define the second and third points of the arc. Finally, click Point 4, which is graphically the same as Point 3, to determine the length of the arc segment. Switch to the Straight Segment option on the Pet palette to continue the creation of the slab silhouette. Click points 5, 6, and finally 7 to complete the slab contour.